Meow. We have another question, and it's Rod. So, doon tayo sa fishing. Actually, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung sa fishing rod. Reason why is meron na kasi akong rod na nakuha. Actually, as what I've mentioned, I started before. Around like 50 members pa lang kami. And exactly that day, I think mga Thursday ako nag-join or Friday, not sure. I think ang alala ko kasi Friday. Then yung kinabukasan, that Saturday or second day na nag-play ako, they gave away free rods kasi. So I got mine. May free rods and 200 kibbles sila pinamigay. So hindi ako gumastos talaga. Ang 2,500 naman. So I am not sure if I can show it. Maybe I'll go with a different browser. Hold on. Meow. So yeah, I tried accessing using a browser. Kaso it's connecting here with the same wallet kasi. So hindi siya uupra since alam mo na, meron na akong road kasi. Pero as far as I remember, dito sa part na to, once you go to fishing, you'll see a fishing rod icon around dito sa part na to. Then once you click that one, lalabas doon na 2,500 kibbles siya. So imagine, magkano yung 2,500 kibbles? So, magkakaroon ka naman ng free fishing rod kung mag-create ka ng smart wallet. So, ayun. If you're gonna be doing that, na creating smart wallet, punta ka lang sa bio ko. Copy the link. Click mo yung cut out. And that should do it. Meron doon na nakalagay ka ng wallet, the documentation, makikita mo yung create smart wallet. So after creating that smart wallet, you have that privilege to have a free run. So try to double check na, hindi ako updated if still available pa siya kasi I think that's last week. Sobrang ingay ng smart wallet kasi yun nga, since una lumaki yung price po ng fishing, so ang daming walang free rod since yun nga, hindi naman sila namigay ng rod, unlike me nung diba, kinabukasan mismo nagkaroon ng free rod. So ayun, so ang daming nag-create ng smart wallet to have that free rod kasi nga 2,500 people is say around close enough like 2,000 pesos na rin kasi ang value ng cable ngayon is technically bumaba siya ng 0.90 plus centavos eh. So palagay na natin mga kundi siya, kung piso siya 2,500 or 2,000 to 2,500 pesos isang rod, tapos may gas fee pa kada fishing. So why not create a smart wallet? Meron ka ng free na 200 cable, meron ka pang free na fishing rod. It's up to you if you wanna create that smart wallet, pero kung nakapag-invest ka na gaya ko with your base wallet or any wallet that you're using, stick ka na lang, siguro ipon na lang for the fishing rod. Ako, I don't participate that much sa fishing kasi I want to do the ROI muna. Although fishing would give you a faster ROI or it might take a while then kasi when it comes to fishing, it's a risk. You don't know kung ilan chances yung makukuha para makakuha ka ng increase or big fish. So para makapasok sa leaderboard. Doon pa lang, mapasok ka sa top 10 at the end of the fishing event, panalo ka na doon. Also, paldo ka na kayo pang sa wala. Pero, sa dami ng players ngayon, as what I mentioned with my previous videos, we're going almost 1,000 dun sa countdown na main Telegram natin. So, we're not sure if wala pa ba siyang 1,000 players or may mga players talaga na hindi pa nag-join ng Telegram group. Kasi, with me, I actually didn't join that Telegram group at first. Yung PH community lang yung sinalihan ko nung una. Kung hindi pa nag-send ng event si CryptoG, hindi pa ako pupunta dun. Ayan, pero ang good thing natin na ang gusto kong pakita sa inyo, so ayan, I'm showing you the figures na nakuha ko. Almost mapababa lang siya. One time na ako nakakuha ng malaki. So, what I'm just saying is, meron tayong mga pa-raffle giveaway events sa Telegram group natin. So, if you don't have 2,500 kibbles para sa fishing rod, hindi ka nakaka-create ng smart wallet. Hindi mo naabutan yung free fishing rod before, I would suggest be active sa ating Telegram group. We have read competition, ito yung pag-follow, like, and comment sa mga content creators with cat town, yung mga verified content creators. Makikita mo sa Telegram group ng PH community. Namimigay sila ng kibbles. So, actually, hindi pa ako included sa mga nag-giveaway ng kibble. Minsan, nag-join din ako doon. Pero, ayun, may mga giveaway kibbles kami. Like, I think ang giveaway ngayon is 2.5 kibble sa following ng mga content creators kasama sa mga posting ng meme cat town. So try to join the PH community, yan din yan sa bio ko, and join Telegram group. You'll be surprised if sobrang dami, halos araw-araw sila nag-giveaway doon, and dami natin wheeler sa Pilipinas na sobrang bait at sobrang mapagbigay. So might as well try it. Yun lang naman. Meow.